Hello drone family, welcome aboard to my little site. Today I'm making a sound comparison of the Neo DJI first follow me base drone and my Potensic Atom and my DJI Mini 4 Pro. You all have heard many times people be saying the Neo is loud, the Neo is loud. But you never notice how loud it is when they compare to other drones. I noticed that too. A couple of days ago, I had my Neo out around my house. Then I took out my Mini 4 Pro. I said, dang, the Mini 4 Pro, it don't sound loud. But as you all know, when you get your first drone, all of them sound loud. So, let me get set up. Let me get started. We're going to do each drone one by one with the sound check. So first, the Neo.